Imagine waking up tomorrow and hearing this breaking news. A missile has struck a U.S. aircraft carrier. No nuclear explosion, no invasion yet, just one ship hit. But within hours, the world is preparing for World War III. How can a single ship start a global war? Tonight, let me tell you a story, not about the past, but about a future that might be closer than we think. A former intelligence officer recently warned that a global conflict is becoming more likely. Missiles are being launched, warships are moving closer, alliances are tightening, and somewhere in the ocean, floating silently, is a ship so powerful that losing it could change history. An aircraft carrier. Not just a ship, a moving city, a flying air force, a symbol of global power, and it's parked dangerously close to Iran. Picture this: 3 football fields long, nuclear-powered, able to sail for 20 years without refueling. Inside it, 60 to 75 fighter jets, more than 5,000 trained personnel, weapons worth billions. It's not a ship, it's a floating nation. If one missile sinks it, it's not just metal lost, it's pride, power, lives, reputation. And nations don't ignore that. They respond. History shows us something scary. Wars rarely start with a grand plan. They start with one mistake, one retaliation, one "we must respond." If a carrier is hit, the United States calls it an act of war. Allies join, enemies react, trade stops, oil prices explode, flights stop, borders close, and suddenly the world is divided into sides, just like before World War I, just like before World War II. In tense moments, rumors spread faster than missiles. Reports appear online. Leaders deny. Others confirm. Recently, posts from Donald Trump claimed that Iran's leader Ali Khamenei had died, adding even more confusion to an already unstable situation. True or false, rumors can spark reactions, and reactions can spark war. But here's the real fear. The world today is more divided than ever. Old treaties ending, nuclear limits disappearing, countries racing to control technology, AI, medicine, and resources, conflicts already burning in different regions. It's like dry grass everywhere, waiting for one spark. And sometimes that spark is just one ship. Inside that carrier are young sailors, some joking about bathroom shortages, some missing home, some dreaming of their future. They don't know that their ship could decide history. War is not just strategy, it's people, families, lives that never return. So here's the question. What happens next? Will diplomacy stop the missiles? Will leaders choose patience instead of pride? Or will one explosion in the ocean echo across the planet? No one knows, and that uncertainty is the most dangerous thing of all. Imagine the next 24 hours, satellites scanning the sea, war rooms glowing with maps, generals whispering numbers, leaders weighing consequences that cannot be undone, families refreshing the news, markets collapsing in minutes, airports freezing in silence, a single decision echoing across continents. Because war today doesn't stay in one place. It travels through fuel prices, food supply, internet outages, global fear, and the scariest part? It can begin before anyone truly wants it. One radar error, one misunderstood message, one leader refusing to step back. No one knows what comes next, and that uncertainty is the most dangerous weapon of all. So stay curious, stay informed, because the story of our world is still being written, and what happens next depends on all of us.
Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Think with Leela. Bye-bye!